if you want to grow a fuller, longer, amazing hair, try only these two ingredients. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So this is my before hair, okay, and I'll be showing you guys my after hair. These are the routine, or this is the tea I have been using to promote my hair growth, and it has been doing amazing. Okay, so this is my hair 1 year after. Okay, my hair has done amazing. Like, I consistently use this tea. Okay, so one thing I would say is that consistency is the key. So when you are using this tea, you have to be consistently using it on your hair. I got a request from a subscriber about this particular tea, which I'll be sharing with you all in today's video, so I hope you enjoy this one. Okay, so this is my hair a year, and all right, and you can see there's improvement in the hair growth. Okay love, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. If you're suffering from baldness, if you're suffering from alopecia, hair loss, thin edges, bald spots, you want to really grow out your natural hair, try this remedy and you'll see amazing results. But the important thing is that you have to be consistent using this. All right guys, so if you want to know how I made this tea, please watch the video all the way to the end. So this is the message I got. Said, how can you make rosemary and clove hair growth tea? So this is my clove. Clove has amazing benefits for hair growth. It treats bald spot, it treats thin edges, is also good for your immune system as well. So I am going to be using a teaspoon. You can use a tablespoon depending on how the quantity of the rosemary or the cloves you want to use. So this is my rosemary. I'll be also be using same measurement as the cloves for today's video. All right guys, so this is the rosemary I am using. This is the dry one. You can use the fresh one. Okay, so there are different ways to make this tea, either the boiling method, the soaking method. Those are the two ways to make hair growth tea. Either you boil it or you soak it, like you soak it for 8 hours, or you boil it. So this one I did soak. I soak it for 8 hours, 24 hours, 3 days, depending. It does not smell. The longer you soak it, the more potent it is. So this particular day I soak mine for a whole 24 hours. Okay, then I'm going to be adding in MSM powder. Somebody asked me, please, what is MSM powder? MSM powder is this kind of powder. This powder like this is good for hair growth. It helps to improve hair growth a lot. You can take this internally. You can put this on your hair growth tea, hair growth oil, hair growth spray, hair growth butter, anything relating hair growth, you can put it inside. I have done videos whereby I drank this. It's really good. It did grow my hair, but the side benefit was kind of much because it was giving me a lot of headache. Even though I drank water, but I still had headaches. So I will say I better you use this as a hair growth tea. Okay, just spray it on your hair than drinking it internally. So this is my hair when I started this challenge. I did this hair tea for like 2 weeks. Okay, this is my hair before. You can still see that there's still spaces on my hair, but when I was spraying this on my hair, the next day you see that my hair has really changed. Like, my hair thickness changed a lot. Yes guys, so if you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So this is me few weeks later. I spray this on my hair. I'll add in my hair growth leave-in condition, oils, butter, and that's how I leave my hair moisturized. As I said sometimes in my video, sometimes depending on the weather in the country where you live, here in Africa it gets hot and your hair dries on time, so I try to apply teas moisturize my hair every other 2 days for my hair to retain the moisture. As you guys can see from the before video, you saw that my hair had a lot of spaces you can see the braiding cut, but here my hair is very thick because of the hair growth tea. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Let me know in the comment section, will you be trying this hair growth tea? This hair growth tea has really helped me in a very long run when it comes to my hair growth. Okay, I do this tea. This is my must have tea. If I don't do any other tea, this one I must do it because it's just 2 ingredients and it's very simple to make, and it's very easy for you to afford. So if you want to grow your hair, you can start with rosemary and cloves. These 2 ingredients alone is really helpful for hair growth. So I'm just going to spray this all over my hair, make sure my hair has absorbed the tea. Then I'll go in with my leave-in condition. Always make sure you go in with leave-in condition to trap in the herbal tea you spray on your hair. Then you go in with your oil, then you go with your butter. You can do it at the LOC method or any other method you know that works for your hair. So I hope this video is quite helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.